Lumbar Jack, sharpening my axial. Cause I got a bone to pick with all this gossip. L3, L2, L1, here we go, talking me AP to AP, not PA. You're a Jack Posterior, and you got no vertebrae. You're spineless, how about some cheese with that whininess? I've got no phototime for this nonsense coming out your alveolar process. Touch your odontoid with your toes, you put your foot in your mouth. Sort of superimpose, but focus on your X's and O's. Let's roll in orbits, stick to rubbing elbows. Unless you want your head bone connected to my knee bone, your mandibular condyle bone to my metacarpophalangeal joint bones. Demonstrate that modified law closed mouth TMJ fascia. Now the script says plug your nose because you're making me nausea. I got better views to do, enough boo-hoos, check a drama at the door. Dropping the mic, then crumping L5, you can take it on L4s, L3, L2, L1. Lumbar Jack, Backbone Productions, Flannel Gown Crew. We leave it open in the front.